Are you ready to transform your health and unlock your true potential? Welcome to the Wellness Alchemists, your ultimate destination for evidence-based health tips and wellness strategies. Get ready to embark on a journey towards a vibrant, balanced, and fulfilling life. Join our community of wellness seekers as we uncover the secrets to optimal health and well-being. Discover the transformative power of nutrition, exercise, and mindfulness practices, supported by the latest scientific research. Are you tired of fad diets and quick-fix solutions? At the Wellness Alchemists, we believe in a holistic approach, focusing on sustainable lifestyle changes. Learn how to nourish your body with wholesome, nutrient-dense foods that will fuel your vitality. Say goodbye to crash diets and hello to a vibrant, energetic lifestyle. Uncover the potential within yourself and cultivate a positive mindset that will empower you on your wellness journey. Our team of experts will guide you every step of the way, providing practical tips and actionable advice. Through our engaging videos, articles, and resources, you will gain the knowledge and tools to make lasting changes. Are you ready to optimize your health, increase your energy levels, and feel your absolute best? Join the Wellness Alchemists community today and start creating your own alchemical transformation. Together, let's unlock the alchemy of wellness and embark on an extraordinary journey towards vibrant health. Remember, the power to transform your life is in your hands. Visit our channel, The Wellness Alchemists, and join our tribe of health enthusiasts today. Subscribe now and join our community of wellness seekers. Together, let's make healthy living a way of life.